The only person ruining your success is you. Our subconscious mind is responsible for 75 to 95% of our actions, our habits, our behaviors, our feelings. The problem is our subconscious mind is focused on keeping us safe. And how does it keep us safe? It keeps us safe by keeping everything familiar. It keeps your earnings familiar. It keeps your weight familiar. It keeps your loop of relationships familiar. Whatever's familiar to you, it will keep you on that loop. Whether it's painful, whether it's uncomfortable, it doesn't care as long as it didn't get you killed. So if you want to become successful, you need to make success familiar to you. I take my private clients through a success acceptance procedure. Part of that is clearing the deadwood, the limiting beliefs. And there are so many on so many different levels. There's money beliefs. Money is the root of all evil. I'm not supposed to have money. There's loads of beliefs around money. Then there is just success in general. I am not worthy. I am not good enough. I've not done enough. I'm too old. I'm too young. There's old conditioning. Maybe people have told you things about yourself in the past that prevents you from moving forward, that makes you feel not good enough. There are emotional anchors keeping you stuck in a self-sabotaging loop. There's so much baggage to get rid of before you are able to move on and actually earn and achieve what you are capable of. If we program your subconscious mind, remember the subconscious mind is responsible for 75 to 95% of our behaviors, our emotions, our reactions, our responses. So if we make success familiar to you, your subconscious mind will work towards your goals, work towards your desires. Some people call this manifestation. Some people call it the law of attraction. I call it psychology. So if you are ready to get rid of those limiting beliefs, all of those blocks, and instead of using 5 to 25% of your brain, you want to use the whole 100% of your brain on automation, moving towards your goals. If you're interested in finding out more, type workshop below and I will send you the details of the free 90-minute workshop that I'm running.